I made some carnivore chicken and dumplings that turned out pretty good. I only had white breast meat, some chicken stock. Made my dumplings out of pork rind, egg, butter, and cheese. Refrigerated it so it wasn't so sticky while I worked on the chicken. Added a cup of heavy cream at the end of the chicken cooking time. And then I just shaped the dough, pinched off the size of dumpling we wanted. Put it into the hot soup. And we had carnivore chicken and dumplings. This turned out really good on this cold day.